When you're on your holiday trip and you are in an Airbnb, you might come over and touch the thermostat to make things warmer or colder. And when you do that, you might notice something like this. This funny sound that happens right behind this couch that's slammed up against the wall, which if you come over here and take a look, that's so much better. Hear the difference. Okay, so let's imagine that this is a 16 by 25 return grill. You never want to put furniture up against it, but if you were to do something like this and put this flexible doorstop, which is totally defeatable by just booming it out of the way, if you're a designer, you might care more about how it looks. This thing is going to reduce the opening, even if it does work, to 3 by 25 on both the top and the bottom, which now means that I've taken a 16 by 25 grill and reduced it to 3 plus 3 is 6 by 25. So that's less, it's about a third of what it was supposed to be. And this system is just not gonna perform the right way. So even if it was performing at an adequate level, which it probably is not, because 90% of systems out there are just not designed right. There's too many components in there to get it right. So please do pay attention to planning whole systems, ductwork, the equipment that you pick, the fan, etc.
The furniture
filter.
and how the cleaning people might put it back.
Exactly. Yeah, you just don't know, especially if it's an Airbnb and there's guests. That thing doesn't go there; it goes on the ceiling or way up there or something like that. It's planning. So just remember to think about these things. If you have comments of other Airbnbs that you've stayed in over the holidays, feel free to post them below, or questions. We're gonna keep on finding things like this.
Yeah, and I'm gonna suggest that they maybe put like a nice round plant in the corner.
That would be great, a plant, and that makes oxygen. You could replenish the Earth's oxygen with one house plant inside of your house. Don't overdo that, by the way. That's a humidity problem and a mold problem.
But enjoy your Airbnbs from afar, and happy holidays.
Yes, Happy New Year, everybody.